360 flip into the front side, India burial, dude. Awesome. Whoa, check out all the human dudes in the human tank. Hello, dudes. Let's totally try that again. I said, hello, dudes. Oh, they live. Hey, dude. I totally want to talk to these dudes. So let's start over on this side. Right there in the center. Dude, white chill. Let's start there. Hello, what's your name?
Hector.
Cool to meet you, Hector. Are you having a good day today?
Yes.
Do me a favor, dude. Say, totally. Now say, sweet.
Sweet.
Good for you, dude. Right to the point. Now put the two together, saying, totally sweet. Totally put your fins together for the Hector, dude. Totally talking turtle. How about we all try a totally sweet on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Totally sweet.
Totally. Let's see who else we got. Let's totally slide to the other side. Right on this side at the end. Hello, what's your name?
Brooke.
Nice to meet you, Brooke. Are you having fun today?
Yes.
Brooke, where are you from? You don't know. It's gonna be tough to get home. Well, Brooke, who brought you here today?
My mom and dad.
Where's mom and dad? Raise the fins. Let's go talk to the big kahuna. Because this dude totally didn't think he was talking to a turtle today. Hello, bro. What's your name?
Oh, Tom.
Cool to meet you, Tom. So that's your little one up front there?
She is, yeah.
Isn't it great teaching them the ways of the world, Dad, Tom, dude?
It is, and she does know where she lives.
I'll take your word for it, dude. You know what, dude? Tom, we totally just shared a moment, dude. Because that's totally why I'm here, to learn more about you dudes, so I can take the knowledge back to the squirt dude. So if all of you can help me out, help answer some of Squirt's questions, everyone say, Shaw.
Shaw.
All right, dudes, I shall totally get right to it. I'll get on to Squirt's question. Numero uno. Now, little Squirt dude sees you humans at the beach, and he was like, yo, Dad, what do the human dudes do at the beach? And I was like, I do not know. So what do you dudes do when you're at the beach? Shout it out, I'll totally hear you. What do you do? Swim, Crush Man totally likes to swim, and I think I'm pretty fast, so I'll go for one. All you dudes will time me, okay? I'll let you know when to start counting. Gotta rev up the motor first. All right, get ready, everybody. Start counting now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16, 17, 18, 19.
You dudes are aware I'm back, right? Jelly Man!
Oh, hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Dude, those things are awesome.
What?
Everybody shout, turtle pile!
Please, I just got away from a turtle pile. Stop! Oh, it's too much.
Little dude, surf's up!
Thanks a lot, Crush. The turtle pile?
You just said it again, dude. He totally loves that game. Well, I've been asking all the questions. Do any of you have a question for the Crush Man or just about sea turtles? Raise up the fin. Start here in the center, blue shell, fin up. What's your name?
Ruby.
And what's your question?
How old are you?
Does anybody know?
Yeah.
It's 150, dude! And still young. How old are you?
6.
Whoa. You were totally catching up to me, dude. Let's get another one. Raise the fin. All right, same side at the back. Wide shell, extra ears. Hello, what's your name?
Amia.
And what's your question for me?
How many miles per hour do turtles go?
Well, check it out. They say we can swim up to 20 miles per hour, but between me and you, I think I can break the speed record, so I'm going for it. It's gonna be awesome. Gonna see it here first. Crush Man breaking the speed record, dude. Check it out, 18, 19. Whoa. That was a bummer, dude. Anybody else? Raise up the fin. All right. Let's go right there where you're at the end. What's your name, dude?
Chris.
All right, Chris, go for it.
What's your birthday?
Oh, dude, my birthday is totally December 3rd. When is yours?
February 28th.
Oh, dude, so you're older than me. How old are you?
I'm 9.
I might have you beat on this one, dude. Awesome. Well, I'm learning a lot from you dudes, and there's knowledge that I can take back.
Hey, come back here!
Dude, Destiny and Little Blue, come back and say hello.
Ooh, hello there! Hi, humans!
Check it out. I've totally been learning a lot from the human dudes. Maybe we can teach them something like speak whale.
Destiny could teach them. She taught me. Only she were here. I am here. Wow! Oh, that's freaky. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Hello, whale.
Totally.
That was really amazing, everybody. I even heard some orca accents. That's super advanced. Whoa, you called a real whale. You called a real whale. Dory, swim, swim, swim. Dory, are you all right? No way.
Bye, whale. Go away. Go away.
Dude, you totally helped out Little Blue. And that whale kicked up some awesome waves, dude.
EAC, 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 EAC. Dad, come on. Time to ride the EAC, dude.
I have to catch up to Squirt. But before I go, I'll leave you with some knowledge I've learned in my many years. Be good to the ocean. She will totally be good to you. And all my little grommets up front. Keep using the word dude all day. Your parents will totally love it. I'll catch you later. Rock on, dude.
Well, let's give it up for Crush, everybody. One more